Yeah. You just turn it up.
Maybe I'm not ready.
So see, this was good.
You know what some people do? They go over there and sit down like that.
Hell yeah, bro! Oh shit! Dog! Oh shit!
That's my arm!
For real?
Fuck!
For real? For real?
For real?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Hold on. Oh shit! Hold on. Damn! Damn!
Fuck!
Ah, fucking Frankie. Hold on.
Oh! Oh!
Oh fuck!
Oh, fuck!
Shit! I'm trying to take this off. Come on.
Oh! Oh!
Oh shit! Oh shit! You serious? No, you serious?
Yes!
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
Oh!
Oh shit! Hold on.
Oh!
Hey, if you see someone, can you call help? Real quick, he broke his arm. Shit. Yeah, have you seen anybody down there? Please? Thank you, man.
Oh! Oh!
Shit, thank you. Fuck. Let me take off your things.
Feel it, bro.
Hold on. Relax, relax, relax. Relax, relax, relax.
Fuck my feet. Oh.
Hey, sir! Sir! He broke his arm, man. Can you go get help? Please?
What happened?
He broke his arm. Can you see if you can get help real quick?
I'll go look for patrol.
Thank you. I appreciate it, man. Oh shit, watch out, watch out, watch out. You get off your thing, though. You get off. Shit, relax, 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 relax. Relax, bro, relax. Fuck. Shit. Shit. Hey, he broke his arm. He broke his arm. Relax. Relax. Fuck, turn this shit off.